Every step felt like a mistake. Voices telling me to stay in line, but something inside said this is mine. I kept running from what I feel, try to hide it, try to keep it sealed. But the more I fight, the more I see there's no version of me that isn't me. I don't need another voice to guide me. I don't need a reason to believe. If I fall into the real me. That's enough for me to break. Live the way it feels deep inside you. Live your life just the way that it feels right. Live, and you will start to understand what you give. We'll find its way back again. Every scar is something I survived. Every doubt just proves that I'm alive. No more hiding in a borrowed skin. I'd rather